So let's see. First example is A is 150, 0, 2, 4, negative 1, 0, negative 2, 0. And we're going to find the determinant of A. Okay, so I'm going to give you sort of a method for doing this. First thing I'm going to do is take a 3x3 matrix on the side. And I'm going to start with a plus sign in the top left. And I'm going to go down, but alternate as I go. So I go plus, minus, plus. And now I'm going to fill in from left to right, alternating as I go. Okay, I'll be using this later. So for the determinant of A, what are we going to do? We are going to start with the first row. So focus our attention on the first row, and we're going to go left to right. So I got 1, and I got 5, and I got 0. So I took these numbers, 1, 5, 0, and wrote them down with some space in between. And then I will take my first row over here and put in plus here, a minus for the 5, and then a plus for the 0. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm going to multiply, I'm going to put something right here that goes with the 1. So what I do, it's all a little bit magical, I must admit, but for now we'll just get the method down. Okay, here's my 1, right? This 1 here is this 1 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the row that the 1 appears in, and I'm going to delete the column that the 1 appears in. And what's left? Well, I have this matrix, this 2x2, and I'm going to put that in. But as a determinant, so 4 minus 1 minus 2, 0. Okay, to repeat, I deleted the column that the 1 appears in, and I deleted the row, and then I took the determinant of what's left, and I put it right there. Continue. Same thing with the 5. Delete the column, delete the row, and what's left, you get determinant of 2, 0, negative 1, 0. Next, here's my 0 here. Delete the column, delete the row. 2, 4, 0, minus 2. Okay, now that's pretty much it. I'm just going to work out this awful thing down here. What do I get? I get 1, times determinant of a 2 by 2. You do A times D minus B times C. So 0 minus 2 minus 5. And here I get 0 minus 0 plus 0 negative 4 minus 0. So what happens? I get minus 2. Okay, pause and copy if you need to. I'll do another example. In the next example, I'm going to modify my notation. I don't like, instead of this, I'll write 2, 4, 0 minus 2. You see how I'd have these are kind of absolute value signs here. Okay, now it's a pain to have extra notation. We have this notation and we also have this notation. You need both, okay, because both of them have their uses. Okay, another example. Zero, 1, 5, 2, 2, 4, 0, 0 minus 2. Okay, before I even start here, what have I written here? Question for you, what is this? Is this a matrix or is this a determinant? It is a determinant, okay? So when I draw the vertical lines, what I mean is determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. I don't mean the matrix itself. Okay, same idea. You go plus, minus, plus in the first column, and then you fill in from left to right. So we're working with the first row in both cases. So what do? You take the 0, you take the 1, and you take the 5. Now the 0 gets multiplied by this determinant. The 1 gets multiplied by, well, let's just be careful here. You cross out, here's my 1 in question. I cross out its row, I cross out its column, and what's left? 2, 4, 0, minus 2. And finally for the 5, you have this determinant here, 2, 2, 0, 0. Okay, and the last thing I'll do is the pluses and minuses. In my last example, I did this earlier, but it doesn't really matter. So, okay, 0 gets a plus. The 1 gets a minus. And finally, the 5 gets a plus. Okay, then I work this out. Well, I got a 0 here, right? So that's just 0 minus 1 times negative 4 minus 0 plus 5 times 0 minus 0. So we get plus 4. All right. exercise. I want you to try this one. 5, 6, 5. Oh, what happened? Massive scroll. Massive scroll disaster. Oh no. Oh no. Where is all my work? What did you do? Oh, there it is. Sorry. It's a scrolling disaster. Okay. -2, 6, 4, 2, -2, -2 equals, well, pause, copy, and try. Pause, copy, try. The answer is, let's do this one. Again, using the top row. Should get -5 times 6, 4 is 2 -2 minus 6 times 4 -2 plus 5 times -2, 6, 2 -2. Okay, let me double check that. Okay, I want to make a definition right here. We give a special name to, let's see, 1, 3, this is the, okay, let's take this matrix. So this matrix, rectangled in red, was obtained by deleting this column and this row. That is the 1, 3 entry in our original matrix. So we're going to call this A1, 3. Now this is the determinant of A1, 3. And this is the determinant of A1, 2. And this is the determinant of A1, 1. Okay, moving on, working this out. We get -5, -4, minus 6, -4, plus 5, minus 8, which I believe yields 4. 44 minus 40. Yes, okay. So pause and copy that if you need to. Actually, I think I'm going to move on to the next video.